He said he checked for perforations at the end of his GYN surgery. How then is it that the patient died the next day as a result of a hole in her bowel? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. This was supposed to be a routine GYN procedure. It was going to be done laparoscopically. And now the patient has the surgery. The doctor says the surgery goes great. The only problem was, the next morning the patient was dead, found on the floor by her son in the bathroom. How did this happen? An autopsy revealed that this patient died because of a perforation in her bowel. She died of massive sepsis. Sepsis is a massive infection. And how did that occur? Because of the contents of her bowel were leaking out into her abdomen. How did she get this hole in her bowel? You know how she got it? She got it from the surgery. So how is it that the surgeon doing the surgery didn't realize that she had a hole in her bowel and didn't fix it in time before she died? During the course of this lawsuit, I had an opportunity to question the surgeon, the gynecologic surgeon who did this procedure. And during the course of the procedure, I asked him, "Doctor, what does the standard of care require at the end of the surgery? Does it require you to go ahead and look around to make sure there are no perforations?" He said, "Absolutely, that is the standard of care." "And doctor, did you do that?" "Yes, I did." "Well, doctor, explain to me, if you did that, how it was that the patient died of a hole in her bowel." You know what he said to me? "I don't know." "You don't know? I'll tell you how we know. We know because the pathologist who did the autopsy confirmed the fact that she had a perforation in her bowel. The only way that she got the perforation in her bowel was during the course of surgery. Would you agree?" "Yes, I would." "She had no perforation before the surgery, correct?" "Correct." "Well then, doctor, if you had looked around at the end of your surgery, wouldn't you agree you would have found this perforation in the location where this perforation occurred?" To which he had absolutely no answer. We were able to show that we were more likely right than not that this patient died as a result of this doctor's carelessness, as a result of him violating the basic standards of medical care. And how did this happen? Through simple carelessness, negligence, because the doctor never did what he said he should have done. Had he done that, he would have seen exactly the perforation. He would have seen it. He would have taken care of it. He would have fixed it. Or he would have called in a general surgeon to come in and fix it. And this patient would be alive today had he done that. But the reality was he was careless and he violated the basic standards of medical care. And as a result of that, this patient lost her life. So why do I share this quick story with you? I share it with you just to give you one example of a case I helped a family, a surviving family, obtain compensation as a result of a doctor's carelessness. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need to be answered first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.